Island Bay, and had no intentions on being out today, but the reports of herring finally coming into the bay have happened, and I am out here on the water. Probably about 100 sea lions out there, and probably about 20 in here in the bay. So there's one right there. Hey pal. that is really cool. So we're going to be out here fishing for herring with some of these sea lions, and they are just feasting right now. This is a great time of year, the herring spawn, because there's so much happening when the herring come in, and the seabirds and the sea lions are here. And we're really lucky because we have this little protected area to fish in, because out there where we do our salmon fishing is pretty rough right now. So let's get some lines in. The current is moving us, so we don't have to do any work. No pedaling today, thank goodness. All right. So we're using what we call a sabiki rig. You can get these for probably about like $3 in the retail store in Canadian Tire or whatever fishing store. So we just got a little 1.5 ounce weight attached to there's 1, 2, 3, 6 hooks on this of these little flies. So we're just gonna drop them right in. That's what I got. And kind of just wait. Oh, double on the other rod here. There's some good sized herring in there. Yeah, the 2-rod system is yeah, you gotta change it a little bit much. There's too much going on right now. There you go. Double. A lot of sea lions, really. Boy, this wind is really pushing us around. It ain't no joke. Yep. Double, triple. That's a first. That's what I'm talking about. Make life easier for us. So cool. I've never seen, I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but there's like thousands of seabirds out there. I don't know if you can, it's really cool to see it, and my line just won't stop catching fish. Oh. What I'm doing is I'm just putting my lines out, just kind of sitting in the bay, and letting the sabikis and the current do all the work. It's just too bad the weather wasn't very cooperative, because getting tossed around here in the bay. absolutely pummeled out here with the rain and the wind. Oh yeah. I think I'm done. But I've got probably about 100 herring. Might come on again later. The wind dies down. But it is pretty bad right now. But this is fun. At least I think it's fun. Surrounded by so many things. Oh, hold on a second here. Fish on. A couple fish on here. Oh. But it is like raging out here. I'm really close to shore, so I don't feel like I'm in any danger or anything like that. Woo. Yeah, I'm gonna make our way back. This is crazy. A triple. This is chaos. Wind, sea lions, herring. This is extreme fishing. Closer, getting blown out here. Getting blown out. That might be it. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, a quad. No, triple. We did have 4 on there, but this is crazy. All these sea lions. It's chaos. I'm gonna head in. I caught quite a bit, and it's my might go home to get my son, bring him out. So thanks for joining, and just to have one last look at what's happening out here. All these sea lions, all the seabirds are out. This is just amazing. So again, just what a place to live, eh? And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. All right.